Hey friends, today we're talking about the Cadillac XTS. If you happen to own one of these beautiful luxury vehicles and you find that it's starting to run rough or hesitate on acceleration or even stall, there's three things that you should do right away before you take it into your shop. Number one, clean your throttle body. This device is on the top of the engine. It's connected to the air cleaner by an air duct. So you just remove that air duct and then start the engine. Then while the engine's running, spray some cleaner right at that throttle plate, that gold butterfly valve there. And the engine will suck the cleaner in, and in the process, it will clean that butterfly valve and the bore that surrounds it and promote better airflow into your engine. So there's a good product out there that you can use. This throttle body and air intake cleaner is available on Amazon for a reasonable price. It's good stuff, and a little bit goes a long way. I'll put a link down in the description of the video if you'd like to get some. Now the next thing you want to do after that is to clean your mass airflow sensor. Now this device is real easy to get to. It's easy to service. It's just held into the air cleaner box by two screws. So you remove the two screws, you pull it out, and while you're holding it in your hand, you clean it off using a special cleaner called mass airflow sensor cleaner, which comes in a spray can. And Gum Out makes an excellent mass airflow sensor cleaner. So while you have this part in your hand and you're spraying it off, you want to focus your attention on the little sensing element that looks like a tiny little resistor in this component, depicted by that green arrow there. When that thing gets dirty with time and mileage, it becomes less sensitive, and that causes the computer to make mistakes about calculations of airflow and fuel delivery, and then you get these drivability problems. So once you're done doing that, the last thing you want to do is to clean your fuel injectors, and that's the easiest part, because you just dump fuel injector in cleaner into the fuel tank. Now this product is tech run by Chevron, and it's an excellent product. I recommend. There's another product out there by Autel. It's called Quick Shot. You could use either one of these. And like I said, it's real simple. You just dump it into the fuel tank and you drive the car. And while you're driving through that tank of fuel, your fuel injectors are going to get cleaned. So in the process of doing these cleaning processes, you may turn your check engine light and trigger some trouble codes. And that's nothing to worry about. You can easily clear your trouble codes out and turn off your check engine light with one of these little pocket scanners. This one is an Autel scanner. Easy to use. You just plug it in and follow the prompts, and you can clear your codes out. You can get these for less than $40 on Amazon. Keep it in your glove box, so in the future, if your check engine light comes on, you'll be able to know what your codes are right away. Save yourself a trip to the shop. So let's get your Cadillac XTS running good again. These are beautiful cars. They've got good power. They get decent fuel economy. They're very roomy, and I don't have to tell you, they're very luxurious. So if you do these three things right there in your own driveway, you can usually get your car running real good. I actually recommend doing these processes every 30,000 miles. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like. Have a good one.